Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Vikas, and thank you, Aruna, for joining in. And today we are on chapter number 18 that talks about slice and dice the task from this book, Eat That Frog. We have heard a lot about slicing and dicing the tasks. We know a lot about it, right? Yet, let's see what is Brian Tracy taking us towards and what is he trying to tell us. Slice and dice the task. The beginning of a habit is like an invisible thread, but everything we repeat, the act we strengthen a strand, add to it another filament until it becomes a great cable and binds us irrevocably in thoughts and action. A major reason for procrastinating on big important tasks is that they appear so large and formidable when you first approach them. One technique that you can use to cut a big task down to size is the salami slice method of getting work done. With this method, you lay out the task in detail and then resolve to do this just one slice of the job for the time being. Like eating a roll of salami, one slice at a time. अच्छा मुझे सलामी पता नहीं है क्या होता है because I'm a vegetarian, but I assume it is a roll. Okay. Or like eating an elephant one bite at a time. All right. So we know we have been discussing this in the past chapters as well कि अगर हमारे पास बहुत बड़ा टास्क है, let's cut down the task into very, 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 very tiny steps. And I've taken an example of, putting the clothes in the washing machine for washing, for the laundry. And the first step would be, segregating the blacks and the whites. And then putting it in the second step would be putting one of the heaps into the washing machine, opening this detergent wala slot, putting the detergent, close it, close the washing machine, press start, and it starts. After the machine is over, टिनी बज गई तो फिर open it, take out the clothes, put it to dry. अब अगर मैं ये कहूं कि मेरे को तो डालने हैं कपड़े and I just put all the clothes together in the machine, am I going to destroy all the clothes? ब्लैक का कलर व्हाइट पे, व्हाइट का मैरून, मैरून मेजेंटा सब इकट्ठा हो जाएगा. सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज नेसेसरी कि हमारे पास एक सिस्टम हो, एक स्मॉल कट टू कट छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स हो, सो दैट वी डू नॉट मिस आउट ऑन एनी ऑफ द स्टेप्स बिकॉज दे आर इंपॉर्टेंट एंड डू द टास्क. एंड ऑल्सो जब बहुत छोटे छोटे टास्क हो जाते हैं तो इट बिकम सो मच इजियर. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू वॉन्ट टू मेक अ रील, तो पहले यू विल मेक अ स्क्रिप्ट. फर्स्ट यू विल थिंक ऑफ द आइडिया कि हमको किस चीज टॉपिक पे रील बनानी है फर्स्ट. सेकेंड, देन यू विल गो एंड राइट सम काइंड ऑफ अ स्क्रिप्ट मे बी. थर्ड, you will read the script 2 or 3 times. Fourth, you will go and record. And fifth, उसका caption सोचोगे. Sixth, you will go on Instagram and post it. तो अगर हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप एक आइडिया ही आना नहीं हो रहा, तो सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ तो बहुत देर की बात है. तो लेट्स वर्क ऑन दैट. Psychologically, you will find it easier to do a single small piece of large project than to start on the whole job. Often, once you have started and completed a single part of the job, you will feel like doing just one more slice. Soon, you will find yourself working through the job one part at a time, and before you know it, the job will be completed. Develop a compulsion to closure. An important point to remember is that you have deep within you an urge to completion, or what is often referred to as a compulsion to closure. This means that you actually feel happier and more powerful when you start and complete a task of any kind. You satisfy a deep subconscious need to bring finality to a job or a project. This sense of completion or closure motivates you to start into the next task or project and then to persist towards final completion. This act of completion triggers that release of endorphins in your brain that we talked about earlier. That is so true कि हम कुछ भी start कर रहे हैं and if we finish through it, it gives us another level of happiness. It gives us another level of confidence in ourselves, trust in ourselves, right? And the bigger the task you start and complete, the better and more elated you feel. The bigger the frog you eat, the greater the surge of personal power and energy you will experience. When you start and finish a small piece of task, you feel motivated to start and finish another part, and then another, and so on. Each small step forward energizes you. You soon develop an inner drive that motivates you to carry through to completion. This completion gives you the great feeling of happiness and satisfaction that accompanies any success. Any shares up till now? Do you want to share anything, Aruna? Any your life experience? कभी आपने भी ऐसे किया होगा कि you would have chunked down all your bigger tasks into smaller tasks and achieved them and you would have felt accomplished or anything? अभी कुछ नहीं. Vikas, would you like to share something?
Yeah. So, that- that- and they- so you will find that to complete any project, there are so many people, and each people is allocated a portion of the task, so that when these tasks are aggregated together collectively, it forms a complete task. Otherwise, what will happen if you give one big project to a single person? It will become overwhelming, it will consume time, and it may also happen that you will procrastinate to such an extent that you will not even start that taking action. Right? It happens most of the time. For example, let me share with you. Uh, Suppose you have uh, fixed a program or plan to read a book. Now, the book, suppose it is bulky, running into maybe 500 pages. You want to read the book is worth reading, but seeing the volume of the pages contained in that book, you think it is impossible to complete that book. But what if you just think of reading starting with one page at a day, one page at a time, and one page on a single day? Nothing succeeds like success. Success is the biggest motivator. When you keep the target of reading one page on a single day and having completed one page on a single day, it feels like you have succeeded. Now, when you have tested the success already, you will be motivated, you will be inspired, and you will also gain the momentum in the process. That's why the inner resistance, which most of us have while starting any action, that gets minimized. So, by taking a small steps at a time, you can also see like the test match, cricket match. So, how do the people the player play the test match? One ball at a time. One ball at a time. How do you lead your life well? One day at a time, one moment at a time. So the best way to complete any task is to break it down into a small manageable chunks, so that it is easy for you and it is pretty doable. You
Yes.
want to share something?
Aruna, do you want to share something?
No, I was talking with my family. Okay.
And this reminds me of, how we run a marathon. Marathon run karna becomes very difficult if you keep on thinking this many kilometers you have to run. बट जब तक हमारे को जहां तक नजर जा रही है वहां तक अगर हमारे को वो होता है ना कि हमारे को यहीं तक रन करना है, इट बिकम सो मच इजियर कि हाँ बस यहीं तक रन करना है, भाग 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 भाग. अरे यहाँ पे पहुंचने तक पता चला अच्छा ये वाला बस यहाँ तक ही और पहुंचना है. ओके ओके ओके, लेट मी गो लेट मी गो लेट मी गो. when you break down everything, so there are so many people who say कि while running the marathon वो जो साइड पे वो टॉम्स से लगे होते हैं ना कि 5 किलोमीटर 2 किलोमीटर 3 किलोमीटर दिस थिंग, दे कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ दैट कि बस यहाँ तक भागना है, बस वो वाले टॉम तक भागना है, बस वो वाले पिलर तक भागना है, वहां तक भागना है, भागना भागना है, उनका काम हो जाता है. बट इफ यू कीप ऑन थिंकिंग इन योर हेड कि भैया मेरे को इतने सारे किलोमीटर चलना है या भागना है, देन इट बिकम्स लाइक अ प्रेशर, इट बिकम्स ओवरवेलमिंग, इट बिकम्स difficult in your head And what becomes difficult in your head actually becomes difficult in the reality as well. So it's better to chunk down every task that you have to do in smaller sections. Thank you, Vikas, for sharing your perspective and the same. Swiss cheese your tasks. Another technique you can use to get yourself going is called the Swiss cheese method of working. You use this technique to get yourself into gear by resolving to punch a hole into the task, like a hole in the block of cheese. The Swiss cheese a task when you resolve to work for a specific time period on a task. This may be as little as 5 or 10 minutes, after which you will stop and do something else. You will just take one bite of your frog and then rest and do something else. The power of this method is similar to salami slice method. Once you start working, you develop a sense of forward momentum and a feeling of accomplishment. You become energized and enthusiastic. You feel yourself internally motivated and propelled to keep going until the task is complete. You should try the salami slice or the Swiss cheese method on any task that seems overwhelming when you approach it for the first time. You will be amazed at how helpful these techniques are in overcoming procrastination. I have several friends who have become best-selling authors by simply resolving to write one page or even one paragraph per day until the book was completed. And you can do the same. That's exactly how, Vikas has put it. कि एक पेज पढ़ना शुरू करो, एक पैराग्राफ पढ़ना शुरू करो, 1 day at a time, 1 hour at a time, one moment at a time. If it succeeds, you are, more motivated to go ahead with the next. And there is a very beautiful 5-second rule as well, wherein they say कि कुछ start करना है तो count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and jump into it. Don't stop and just keep doing. And here it is suggesting कि छोटे छोटे टाइम स्पैन्स रख लो कि मेरे को इतनी देर से इतनी देर तक ही करना है ये काम. आई हैव टू रीड ओनली फॉर 5 minutes. जब 5 minutes से कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे, यू विल सी योर सेल्फ इन टू अ लिटिल दिस थिंग कि हाँ थोड़ा सा और पढ़ लेती हूँ. इट्स फन, इट्स नाइस, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज गेटिंग टू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. जब आप अपने दिमाग को एक तरीके से वो कर दोगे कि ट्रेन कर दोगे, हाँ मेरे को 10 मिनट ही करना है, इट्स ओके. 10 मिनट तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, राइट? तो हम इट्स इजियर फॉर अस टू जंप इन टू इट rather than not doing it at all. This is what I understood from there. Vikas, do you have anything to share?
Yes, there is also a Pomodoro method. I think you might have heard.
Yes.
So there is people take gap of 5 to 10 minutes after every 45 to 50 minutes. This helps them to regain the focus back, be more concentrated on the work that they do. Otherwise, the task also becomes monotonous when you continue the same task for maybe extended period. So you take the break in between, and also you can start with a renewed energy, renewed focus, renewed vigor, and the productivity that you will have during those 45 minutes or 50 minutes that you read, and then taking break and then continuing further, it will be multifold. So this is there are two methods this book suggesting basically. One is breaking down the task itself, or assess the time that project, that activity will take. Suppose it takes around 4 hours. Now what I will do is I will break it down in terms of time intervals. I am breaking it down in terms of time. In the earlier, I was breaking down the project itself, activity itself, right? So both has its own advantages. You can apply both simultaneously, or you can apply one of the two depending on which suits you the best. Yes.
Thank you. This reminds me of, how our kids, when they have a group activity in the school, so my daughter is in 11th right now. तो उसको business studies का कोई तो project बनाना था, and there are friends, 5 people in one group. तो दे ऑल्सो डिड दिस कि अभी सारे के सारे स्क्रिप्ट नहीं लिख रहे हैं, सारे के सारे एक ही टॉपिक के ऊपर नहीं लिख रहे हैं. One child is decorating making the file, the cover, and everything, right? The other one is writing the introduction. The third one is writing, the some part of the book, and then third part, somebody is doing some part of the book. तो वो छोटा 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 उन्होंने आपस में सबको वो दे दिया कि चलो तुम ये करो ये करो ये करो. What that did was कि उनका काम जल्दी खत्म हो गया. अदरवाइज अगर हर कोई अपनी अपनी फाइल बनाने बैठता तो इट वुड हैव टेकन लॉन्गर, एंड देन वो ग्रुप का काम नहीं होता. सो वी कैन थिंक ऑफ आवर टाइमलाइन टू बी एज अ ग्रुप फॉर अस कि इतने से इतने मैंने ये काम करना है. आई हैव टू डिजाइन माय कवर ऑफ द फाइल. इतने से इतने मैंने इसके बारे में लिखना है, इतने से इतने में को इसके बारे में करना है, इतने से इतने में को इतने के बारे में करना है. वी कैन स्प्लिट टाइम. We can split one big task into this framework. We can do anything with splitting and putting things in the small boxes कि ये ऐसे कर लेते हैं. This is nice. And I think we work like that only. बस हमारे को आज नाम पता चल गया. Before the chapter ends, Brian Tracy always gives 2 points in every chapter to reflect on. And for today, it is point number 1, which says put one of these techniques into action immediately. Take a large, complex, multitask job that you have been putting off and either in the salami slice or Swiss cheese to get started. So if you have anything on your head कि मेरे को ये करना है, मेरे को ये करना है. For example, for me today, it is that I have to start working on my scripting of one of the things that I have to deliver. So I'll see to it as to what is the idea के बाद क्या क्या points हैं जिसके बारे में मेरे को बोलना है, and then if that is a point, what is it that I'm going to talk about in that point. I'll start working on that today. Point number 2 says become action oriented. A common quality of high performance men and women is that when they hear a good idea, they take action on it immediately. As a result, they learn more, faster, and get much better results. So don't delay, try today. I would like to ask Aruna and Vikas, both of you one by one, ki what is it that you are going to take action on today? And are you going to use any of these techniques? Aruna, let's start it from you.
Yes, I think the Swiss cheese method is useful for me because, it is easy for me to break the time, to fix the time for the task rather than, the big goal making into tasks. Because I do multitask jobs, isn't it? I have to do house chores and also my professional thing and everything, isn't it? So better to use this Swiss cheese method. So for this time I will do this, work on laptop, and for this time I do in the kitchen. So like that I would like to do and apply this Swiss cheese, and it is very useful.
What is that one task that you're thinking of accomplishing today, or maybe getting started with today?
I actually wanted to watch the videos. So I will do that.
Great. Wonderful. All the best. I hope you do watch some part of the video, if not all, right?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Let's hear it from Vikas. Vikas, what do you have on your head today, for today?
Yes, I'm also thinking of preparing a script for the webinar or something like that. I will have the structure ready first of all, and then I will work on gradually with the content and see what are the activities that I can fit in. So this will be the various steps that I will take. I will go with the structure. I will create the structure for the webinar today.
Wonderful.
Yes.
All the best. All the best.
Thanks.
All right. On that note, we will close today's session. And today's session was only 31 minutes. See? There are times when we go beyond 1 hour, and there are times when we are done with because this was like 2-3 pages of a chapter, and that was not a very कुछ ऐसा. See, Aruna is not procrastinating on anything. Vikas ने तो बताया नहीं. Vikas, do you procrastinate on anything?
Yes, I am procrastinating on creating this website. It is on my mind that I had thought of कि मेरे को जनवरी में स्टार्ट करना है. अभी तक मैंने उस पर कुछ हाथ नहीं लगाया है. So this is
All
the one.
right. That's
Yeah.
interesting. Let's work on that then. Okay,
Yes,
what
yes.
are the action steps that you need to do?
I will do hit and trial.
Hit and trial.
Hit and trial.
Hit and trial, why?
Maybe I have not done it before. I know some of the steps, but then I am confident that I will do it on my own.
As and when you do it, let us know the steps as
Sure,
well.
sure.
Because हम भी तो create करेंगे ना. We should also know कि वो website को create करने के लिए what are steps are there. By
Yes,
the
yes.
way, I want to tell you that you have an access of one of the courses which talks about how to create the website.
This सिद्धार्थ राजशेखर वाला ना?
नहीं, सिद्धार्थ राजशेखर का he tells about the one page website. There is another this guy. उनका प्रोग्राम है आपके उसके अंदर 15 डेज का 30 डेज का चैलेंज रन करते हैं वो. कौन सी नीति एंड दिस नीति, लोक नीति और ये सब करके जो बोलते हैं.
अच्छा, वो बंसाली,
संदीप बंसली,
संदीप
यस.
बंसाली. अच्छा
तो
अच्छा.
he teaches it very well. मतलब in the 30 days challenge he talks 15 days about creating a website only.
अच्छा अच्छा.
If you go
तो
through that challenge तो आपका वो काम खत्म हो जाएगा within 1 month.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Single step at a time.
Good. So I'll have to enroll separately for that, na?
You have the access for it.
Acha, great. Then I will do it.
All right. Thank you guys for joining in. God bless you. I hope you have a super productive day and whatever you are choosing to do for today, you achieve it.
Thank you.
Bye. God
Thank you,
bless.
Rina. Thank you, Karishma.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Vikas. Thank you, Karishma.
Thank you.